What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna install the front coilovers. So I already have the car jacked up. Gonna take these off. These bolts right here. I believe they were 10 millimeters. 10 or 12 millimeters, somewhere around there. And this time I'm not gonna use the impact drill because, well, only to take off this. But for all these bolts, I use this big bar that I bought at Walmart. The front ones are way easier to come off than the back. I just tell you that. So these were just up there, you know. And you're gonna take put it on the ground. You're gonna take off these bolts. You'll see they're like right here. Do you see the holes? That's where they go. These were 19 millimeters. These two right here. They're right here. 19 millimeter bolts. You're gonna take those off. And you're also gonna take off this little thing that goes connected over there and then connected to the shock. So it was like that. You take those off, and then yeah, the coil just comes right off. You also take off these lines. They're grabbed on right here. I think one of them was a 10 and the other one's like a 14 or 12. Take those off. They're connected to the shock, and then it just comes off right easily. Unlike the back. So that took me like 5 minutes, like not including jacking it up and everything, taking the wheel off. Just taking off the bolts and taking off the shock was only like 5 minutes. It's really quick. So yeah, next you remove this little cap, and that's where the bolt is. You're gonna use an impact gun to take this bolt off.